How to make only your friends can see your current city on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only your friends can see your current city on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click the storylines in the top corner and go down, click settings and then click profile information, and here you will find your current city. Click this pen and edit and type your current city again and select it. Los. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.